Hello everyone, today let's see how to make Domino's style zingy parcels. These are very simple and easy recipe. So let's see what are the ingredients to prepare the dough for the zingy parcel. Here I have taken 1 cup of cake wheat flour. Sieve and add it to a mixing bowl. Add half teaspoon of salt and mix lightly on one side of the mixture. Now I have taken 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of yeast. This is an instant yeast I am using, so mix on top of the sugar. Take some warm water and make a soft dough. Add the water in batches. Make sure the water is warm, not too hot or cold. Approximately it takes 1/3 cup of water. Now I have added 2 tablespoons of olive oil and mix well. Cover it and keep it aside for an hour. Cover the dough airtight and keep it in a warm place for it to ferment. A fermented dough gives a very soft zingy parcels. Make sure you keep it in a warm place. Now let's see how to make the filling. For the filling, here I have taken 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 chopped onions, half teaspoon of ginger powder, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala and half teaspoon of chaat masala, 1/8 cup of tomato puree, half teaspoon of salt and mix well. This is the crushed paneer I am using, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. The paneer here I have made from 2 liters of milk and mix all these ingredients well. Allow the filling to cool, transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. We need to cool this filling before adding to the zingy parcels. Now let's see how the fermented dough looks like. A perfectly fermented dough. Here you can see the gluten strands. Now sprinkle some corn flour. Knead the dough again using this corn flour to give a smooth finishing. You can see a smooth finished fermented dough is ready. Now we're going to roll this. To cut it into equal parts, here I am using a dough scraper. Make equal portions so that the zingy parcels look alike when you bake it. Take a small portion of the dough, knead it again to a small ball and roll it to a small circle. Make sure the thickness is equal. Rolling it equal proportion is very important. Then we'll be folding into a triangle. Here I'm using the edges and fold it into 3 sides. A cool filling I'll be adding in the center of the folded dough. Do not over add the filling, then it might spill out when you bake it. Now using the corners, you can bind it by applying some water. Join all the corners by using some water and bind it gently. A perfect zingy parcel is getting ready. Transfer the zingy parcel on a baking sheet so we can bake similar with the rest of the dough and the filling. Here is another zingy parcel I'll be showing. Fold the corners and bind it using some water. While rolling, we need to use the corn flour. Do not add all-purpose flour. Now brush this using some full cream milk. This gives a brown texture and a perfect brown shade while baking. Sprinkle some red chili powder and some dry herbs on top of the zingy parcel and you can proof it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you're going to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes in a preheated oven and a perfect zingy parcel will be ready in no time. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. Few things that has to be noted while make this zingy parcel are: fermentation of the dough is very important to make this fluffy layered zingy parcels. Here you can see the layers of the zingy parcel. It's very soft and perfectly baked. Bake the zingy parcels at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes and you can see the brown layer on top. After baking, apply butter on top of the zingy parcel and a Domino style zingy parcel is ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.